And they're off. It's a pretty nice even beginning to moving up Moscow Valley to take the lead. Raggy D right behind in second by the rail is the stablemate of the front runner. And that Security Check running by the rail fourth Malabon Mark. Unchanging Warrior running alongside is entry number 6. Yes, Pogi, the favorite, and Flying Hope is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 600. Now we have Raggy Day takes command over Moscow Valley in second, moving up to take third. Malabon Mark running alongside is entry number 2, and that Security Check. Yes, Pogi down in P, Flying Hope, and Unchanging Warrior now in behind them as they turn for home. Raggy Day, Malabon Mark, moving up on the outside once again is Moscow Valley. Malabon Mark, Moscow Valley once again on the outside. Raggy Day is by the rail with the last 75 meters more to run. Malabon Mark this time by about 3 lengths. And finally, Malabon Mark second close between Yes Pogi and Moscow Valley. Then comes Raggy Day, Flying Hope,